If your phone camera is taking blurry pictures even in a good lighting, before you think it's broken, try these quick fixes first. If it's almost never actually broken. First, and this sounds too simple but it works, wipe your camera lenses with a clean, soft cloth. Fingerprints on the lenses are the number one reasons photos come out blurry. No joke. After cleaning it, open your camera and tap directly into the subject on your screen to make the phone focus on it manually. If you're on an iPhone, go to settings and then scroll down to camera and then make sure lenses correction is turned on. If you're on Android, open the camera app and go to camera's own settings inside the app and tap reset settings to bring it back to default. And if none of these work, just restart your phone. A simple restart fixes camera bugs most of the time. Clean the lenses. So all you gotta do is clean the lenses, tap to focus, reset camera settings, restart your phone. Blurry camera is just fixed like that. Subscribe for more.